So guys, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how to win credit in Honeygan application. So it is too much easy. So just you have to log in inside your Honeygan account after 24 hours every day. Then you have to wait a few seconds, and so now you can see here it is asking me win credit daily. Then you have to tap there, and now we can see it is giving me 10 credits, right? So just you have to claim that one and you will get the bonus point. So you can also get the $5 if you sign up from my link. I'm going to give you a link in the video description. You can check that link and you can sign up to get $5 right now. So now you can see here I have 13 almost $14 from the Honeygan. So you can also earn from this one. So I'll come back with another new video. Until then, goodbye, see you again.